Okay, take two. You don't know about take one. Here's the stuff that came out of the first shelf. A nice little cup. A cup and Pikachu fell together and I'll have to separate them. Nice little figurine. And then this whole mess, these all stuck together using a new kind of clay that kind of bubbles up a little bit. Oh well, I'll have to fire it at a lower temperature. Here's a llama mug that I made and then Jill glazed. Turned out amazing. Now for the second shelf. This is from my little pottery lessons. Turned out beautiful. This is also supposed to be a scalpel plaque. Got cute little plates that turned out lovely. And this one's a saucer set. I'll put it down right there and assemble the other pieces. So I think this is, yep. This is the whole set that somebody made. I'll show you. Look at that, right? You got a little spoon, you got a little cupcake looking saucer with the lid. Beautiful. A few more things. Got this really cool looking octopus dish. A little white dish. And just a cool little shape that made for lessons as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you saw your piece and it turned out okay. If it didn't, I'll get it fixed. See you later.